to say this is my personal favourite time at Founders Factory, getting to see some of the super early stage entrepreneurs that we are very proud to be supporting. Very fast pitches, 15 of them presenting today.
The companies that are presenting today, they're in the pre-seed to seed range, so they're raising anything from a few £100,000 up to £2 million. Companies that are all the way from the future of wealth management, to employee retention, to the future of dog food, all sorts of really crazy but brilliant things.